Meet the PLAT by Direct Cars, a micro-camper that proves size doesn't limit comfort. Built on the Daihatsu Hijet, it packs 2 beds, a full kitchen, a powerful electrical system, and off-grid capabilities into less than 4 meters. From the outside, the PLAT immediately stands out. Its black and white geometric exterior gives it a modern, urban feel while signaling its serious camper functionality. Unlike conventional vans, the PLAT is registered as an 8-number vehicle in Japan, which allows the living space to be expanded without legal issues. The cab-over design is a clever solution. The extended nose above the driver's cab isn't just aesthetic, it's a dedicated bunk for 2 people, freeing up every inch of floor space for the living area below. Entry is simple and practical. The side access door on the passenger side gives you a traditional motorhome feel. It separates the cab from the living area, providing privacy and maintaining a clear layout inside. Behind the van, the PLAT uses a vertical rear wall rather than the typical curved van walls. This gives more interior volume and makes storage and movement inside much easier. Utility and convenience continue outside. The PLAT is equipped with external 100V AC outlets, perfect for running your electric grill, lights, or other devices while camping. There's also a dedicated shore power input for campsite charging, plus a DC-DC charging system that keeps the internal battery topped up while driving. The heat exchanger for the onboard DC air conditioner is tucked neatly under the rear of the vehicle, maintaining the sleek, uncluttered exterior. Lighting and safety are thoughtfully considered. High-mounted LED lights above the door and rear make nighttime navigation and setup easy. A rear-view camera and a digital electronic mirror compensate for the blocked rear visibility, giving confidence in tight city streets or crowded campsites. For those looking for something more rugged, Direct Cars also offers the Dune Rover variant. It has Raptor-coated body panels for scratch resistance, off-road wheels, and optional racks for additional gear. While the standard PLAT focuses on urban and versatile travel, the Dune Rover extends its capabilities to off-road adventures without compromising the compact size. The PLAT takes things a step further with an optional electric awning, turning your outdoor setup into something effortless and high-tech. With a simple one-touch system, you can deploy or retract the awning using a switch near the entrance or even a wireless remote, which feels incredibly convenient when you're setting up camp. It runs on the van's 12V auxiliary battery, designed to be energy efficient so it won't drain your power during overnight stays. What really makes it stand out are the smart features. Some configurations include a built-in wind sensor that automatically retracts the awning if strong gusts hit, protecting the lightweight chassis. And for nighttime use, integrated LED strips along the awning provide ambient lighting, creating a perfect outdoor space for relaxing, cooking, or just enjoying the view. Moving inside, the PLAT is a revelation for its footprint. The interior uses wood-grain flooring and gray-toned furniture, creating a modern, open feel despite the vehicle's small size. Space is intelligently used to accommodate up to 4 people sleeping. Above the cab, the overcab bunk in the PLAT is one of its smartest features, and the main reason this tiny camper can sleep up to 4 people without feeling cramped. Positioned in the Luton area above the driver's cab, this space is designed as a full double bed, typically around 172 centimeters by 193 centimeters, making it comfortable for 2 adults or children. By moving the main sleeping area above the cab, the entire lower section stays free during the day for the kitchen and lounge, which is a huge advantage in a vehicle this size. Despite being compact, it doesn't feel boxed in. Small side windows provide ventilation, while integrated LED reading lights and USB ports add convenience. During the day, it can even double as a storage area for bedding and gear. With a typical weight capacity of around 150 kilograms and safety rails to prevent rolling out, it's a practical, secure, and space-saving solution that plays a key role in making the PLAT feel like a full-sized camper. The main living area features a convertible dinette that becomes a second double bed, roughly 1830 by 1140 millimeters, ideal for children or extra guests. Storage is everywhere you'd want it. Overhead lockers, underseat bins, and pull-out drawers ensure that every tool, gadget, or personal item has a place. The dining area benches double as large underseat storage compartments, perfect for keeping bulky items like gear, tools, or travel essentials out of sight. Above, a row of overhead cabinets runs along the upper walls, giving you easy access to lighter items like clothes, snacks, and toiletries without taking up floor space. The kitchen is just as smart, featuring dedicated drawers along with a magnetic backsplash panel that lets you attach utensils and spice racks securely, keeping everything organized even while driving. There's also a clever pull-out or foldable table system that disappears when not in use, freeing up movement inside the van. Altogether, these storage solutions make the PLAT feel far more spacious and practical than its size suggests, turning every inch into usable, functional space. The kitchen in the PLAT is a perfect example of how smart design can deliver full functionality in a compact space, with a refrigerator, large sink, and microwave all included as standard. The 35-liter refrigerator is well-sized for travel, giving you enough room to store drinks, fresh food, and essentials for several days while remaining energy efficient and fully supported by the onboard battery system. Right next to it, the large sink stands out because, unlike many microcampers, it's actually practical to use, deep enough for washing dishes, rinsing vegetables, and maintaining cleanliness without constant hassle. It makes everyday tasks feel natural rather than cramped, while the detachable stove can be used outdoors. The magnetic wall panel allows utensils and spice racks to stay organized and easily accessible. Climate control is fully integrated. The PLAT includes a residential-style DC air conditioner capable of running about 10 hours on the internal battery alone, perfect for hot summer days. Optional heating solutions like an FF heater are available for colder trips, ensuring the camper is comfortable year-round. A centralized touchscreen near the entrance allows you to monitor battery levels, control LED lighting, and manage HVAC settings with ease. The electrical system is surprisingly robust for a microcamper. The standard 200Ah lithium-ion battery can power the DC air conditioner, lights, microwave, and other devices. Solar charging keeps the battery topped while parked off-grid, and a sine wave inverter powers standard AC outlets, letting you run laptops, chargers, and appliances without worry. External USB ports and AC sockets provide additional flexibility. It's designed for families or couples who want a compact vehicle without sacrificing comfort. Even with 4 people, the space feels open and functional, thanks to the modular layout and smart storage solutions. The PLAT's mechanical base is equally reliable. You can choose between 2 WD and 4 WD versions, and a CVT or 5-speed manual transmission. Despite its small engine, the PLAT handles urban streets and narrow lanes effortlessly while carrying the camper body's additional weight. One of the standout features is the kitchen layout. Even in a compact layout, you get a modern, fully functional galley. The PLAT isn't just about camping, it's about freedom. Its small size means you can park almost anywhere, maneuver tight urban streets, and access places that would be impossible for larger vans. Yet, inside, it feels far more spacious than its exterior dimensions suggest. Insulated walls and double-glazed windows ensure comfort in both summer and winter, reducing condensation and maintaining a consistent interior temperature. From a technology standpoint, the PLAT is well-equipped. A rear-view camera, digital mirrors, and central touchscreen make driving safe and managing the camper's systems intuitive. Multiple power ports, AC and DC outlets, and solar charging allow extended off-grid stays without compromise. Entertainment isn't neglected either. Standard appliances like a microwave and optional flat-screen TV make longer trips enjoyable. The pricing reflects its value. Starting at approximately 4,390,000 yen, or about $28,000, the PLAT delivers features often found in much larger motorhomes. For those looking for off-road capabilities, the Dune Rover variant starts higher but adds rugged coatings, better tires, and additional exterior mounting points for gear. What's truly impressive about the PLAT is how it balances size, functionality, and freedom. It's small enough to navigate city streets, park in tight spaces, and remain nimble, yet the interior feels like a full-fledged motorhome. Its cabcon design, dual sleeping areas, modular kitchen, and robust electrical system make it ready for spontaneous travel, weekend getaways, or extended off-grid adventures. So, whether you're planning a weekend escape, a cross-country journey, or just want the freedom to park and relax anywhere, the PLAT shows that great things really do come in small packages. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed seeing the PLAT in action, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more camper reviews and travel adventures, and let us know in the comments, would you take a PLAT on your next trip?